What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tia Tiki, and I am finally back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna get into Nona Honk. We're gonna get into the MV and the dance video. So if you guys are super excited about that like I am, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, and a few comments of suggestions down below on what you guys would like to see next. Let me show you guys something really quick, because if you're a gamer, a streamer, this is one of those things that you don't know that you need until you actually see it. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. I was on TEMU the other day looking for gaming gear, looking for stuff for my streaming setup, and I came across this amongst so many other things, but this one is my favorite. This is my controller. I've used this controller on my phone, on my iPad, and on my PC. I absolutely adore this controller, and I want you guys to also see what I've set up. Whether you play on PC, mobile, or console, like I said, TEMU has it all. They have keyboards, headsets, controllers, LED lights, you name it. Most gamers either overpay at big tech stores or get completely scammed by something that will break in 2 weeks, but not with this. This is very high quality stuff that will not break the bank, and I'm super excited to share with you guys that TEMU is offering $100 coupon bundle to help you get stuff like this to level up your setup or just level up your cozy room. Whatever you're trying to do, TEMU has it. There's no points, no fake discounts. These are real coupons. All you have to do is click the link in my description, download the TEMU app, put my code in the search bar, and you'll instantly unlock your coupon bundle. The best part is that prices are already low and shipping is free. So if you love tech, gaming, want to upgrade your setup, upgrade your bedroom, TEMU has it without breaking your wallet. You guys, you do not want to miss this. You do not want to miss this. So my link is in the description. Use my code and save your money. Go check out TEMU right now. All right, you guys, we're going to get into the Nona reaction video now. I'm just so excited that I got to share that with you guys. I completely love TEMU, and that $100 coupon bundle is such an amazing deal. I just had to share it with you guys. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video.
Look at me, look at
Oh.
her. Pics in the rearview mirror.
Hey.
Put 'em up, posted, buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up.
Hey, hold on. I wasn't expecting, I don't know what I was expecting, but I just love that beat drop. I love their outfits. They're so freaking gorgeous. Okay, I'm calm. I love Nona.
Look at me,
Hey.
look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror.
Oh.
Put 'em up, posted, buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up.
Hey.
Get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Hi. Oh.
Get on the Honk.
This beat. Hey.
Get on the Honk.
That was the cutest thing. That is the cutest thing that I've ever seen in my life. She said beep beep. Ah. Hey. Do it again.
Get on the Honk.
Beep beep. Hey.
Get on the Honk.
Oh.
Bus go round and round. Got
Hey.
the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce.
Yes.
Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, got my heart in your face and I always got my way.
Oh.
Got bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona.
Hey.
On the license plate.
Okay.
I bet. Jump to like me. If you're
Oh.
wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. Working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Vocals. Facials. I love them.
Get on the Honk.
Hey. This beat though. Yes.
Get on the Honk.
Hey. Beep beep. They're so cute.
Get on the Honk.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Can we go back? I love them in glitter. I love them in glitter. Where was that? Where was that at? I don't know. Yes. They look so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes. Slay. Do it to me. Give it to me. It's over. All right, let's get into the dance video. I'm surprised they didn't name it Beat Beat, but I get it. Honk Beat Beat. They look so good.
Look at me, look at her.
Hey,
In the rearview
mirror, hey.
Put 'em up, toasted.
Ooh.
Buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up.
Oh.
Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Oh my goodness.
Get on the Honk.
Let's go.
Get on the Honk.
You better eat.
Get on the Honk. Wheels on the bus
Go round and round. Hey.
Junk in the
Trunk.
and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my
Hey.
face, and I always get my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A.
Oh, your license plate. Hey.
Jump to like me. If you're
Ooh.
wondering, baby,
I'm wondering.
I got it on my own.
Yes.
Working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Love it. That was beautiful. Their facials.
Get on the Honk.
Hey. Beep beep.
Get on the Honk.
Yes. You better work it. Beep beep.
Get on the Honk.
Get it. This is so cute. I love this part. Song is too short. Wait, I just noticed this dude. I just noticed this dude in all silver. I was so distracted by the beautifulness, the radiantness. I love that full choreo, by the way. That was amazing. Where did he come from? Oh, there's two of them. And they just get back on the bus like they just eat. No, it's too short. All right, y'all, we got into Nona Honk, we got into the MV, we got into the dance video. I absolutely adore Nona. I love them. I wish their songs were longer. Like, I'm about to claw my skin off. That song was so amazing. Love the beat. My girls, we love to party. Yeah, I pretty much learned it by the dance video for the most part. I absolutely love Nona. Those are my girls. Those are my queens. I really wish they got more exposure. I'm always down to listen to them, react to them. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. And I really hope to see you guys next time.